welcome to UK Lockpickers, and if you're watching this video right now, there's a good chance you're watching this through our product description page. This is a demonstration today for the non-pipe padlocks, or the non-pipe padlock tool. So what do we mean by non-pipe? Well, this is what we mean. This has not got a notch down, so we can get this key all the way in, unlike this one. See that notch there? And the same again with this one. We won't be able to use the tool with this lock. But we can use it on things like the Chubb Battleship, the Silverline and the Kasp. We shall demonstrate this tool today, and they are all unopened. So let's see what it takes to get through the Silverline. Not a lot. So let's just have a little scrap with the tools and get these out. They can be a bit awkward. Normally if you give them a shake, they shall come out. There we go. So that's one open, and we'll do the Kasp. There we go, back shut. Yeah, it is a bit sticky, but shouldn't be a problem. Where's the wire? Tell you what guys, let's just stick this in the vise, seeing as though we've got a vise right here for it. And there we go. There we go. That is a good demonstration. It just goes to show that these are real locks, and it goes to show that you do need to adjust these grub screws as well, and I'll demonstrate that hopefully on the Chubb Battleship. Now, this came to the point where I was going to tell you about the grub screws, but it's also the Kasp as well. You do need to adjust them slightly, and I am adjusting this one too as far as it will go out, but without the thread falling out. So as soon as I feel it just about to come out, I rewind it back in. And because the Chubbs are bigger locks, it's also going to need the grub screw longer, like I say, to throw the bolt, and also need a longer wire. So if all goes to plan, we should be picking this as well. Again, all I'm feeling for, guys, is low levers and any tight levers, and I'm just slowly nudging them up. And there we go. That is the Chubb Battleship, along with the Kasp and the Silverline. And that is the video demonstration today for the non-pipe padlock tools. Again, please do subscribe to my video, guys, and join up at our Facebook group, where you will find many more intelligent members of the lock picking community, only willing to help new guys out. So please come on down, check out the links, and like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.